Hi everyone! In today's video, gluten-free blueberry muffin. I am Paula Romero and I'm gonna share with you simple ways to cook good food. This gluten-free recipe is to die for. You can use either frozen or fresh blueberries. Let's get started. Preheat oven to 400 degrees and grease a muffin tin. We're going to start with the toppings and we're going to sift the flour, sugar, cinnamon, and melted butter. We're going to whisk with a fork until well combined and crumbly. Perfect! This is exactly what we want. Next, on a medium bowl, we're going to sift the flour, add the baking powder and salt. And we're going to set aside. In another bowl, whisk together the sugar and eggs. Mix until well combined and add yogurt, the oil, and vanilla extract. Next, we're gonna fold the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and I'm gonna mix everything together by hand. In a small bowl, we're gonna coat the blueberries with some flour, so when you add them to the batter, it doesn't go to the bottom. Next, fold in the blueberries gently into the batter. Next, we're gonna add the batter into the muffin tin. Cover the batter with more blueberries. And last, my favorite part, the topping. Next, we're gonna place them in the oven and reduce the heat to 375 degrees and bake for about 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Ta-da! Cool for 5 minutes in a muffin tin and then remove the muffins to a wire rack. They look amazing. Look at this topping. The kitchen smells amazing right now. And I bet it's because of this crunchy cinnamon topping that came out so crunchy. So good. Now let's see how it looks inside. I'll get this one here. It's so beautiful that I feel bad that I have to break it. Oh. We're gonna eat it, right? Check this out. Does this look beautiful or what? Now I have to taste it. This is a hard, tough job here. Ah! Delicious. Very, very good. Don't forget to follow us on our social media. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. I'll see you next time.